We have talked about mindset, about strategy, and the full game plan. But even after all that, what stops most people isn't fear or lack of opportunity. It is doubt. And doubt is very quiet. It shows up as questions, as hesitation, or even second guessing. Welcome back to our series, From Mindset to Action. This week we have covered a lot, from shifting your mindset to building a personalized plan to understanding the process step by step. And today we're not talking about fear or anxiety, but we're talking about doubt, the subtle but powerful question in the back of your mind. Is this really the move for me? What if I don't have enough? Am I ready? See, as an investor with over 20 years in this space, I'll be the first one to tell you doubt is normal. But let's break it down into 3 common areas and what I learned about working through each one. Doubt number 1, do I have enough money? I used to think you had to be rich to invest in real estate. But here's the truth. You just need to know how to use what you already have. There are tools out there, tools like HELOCs, cash out refinances, and even seller financing that can open the doors for you. See, Proverbs 24 says, by wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. See, it's not about having all the money. It's about applying the right wisdom. Now, doubt number 2, do I have enough time? Man, I gotta tell you, this one held me back too. Life was busy, I had a full plate. But what I learned is that clarity reduces friction. A clear strategy, a reliable team, and the right systems let you invest without burnout. Ecclesiastes 11 reminds us, whoever watches the wind will not plant. See, waiting for a perfect schedule means nothing ever gets started. Doubt number 3, can I trust the process and the people? Well, trust is earned, not given. And unfortunately, this industry is filled with overpromises. And that is why I built my business on transparency and experience. After 22 years, I learned that clients don't need hype. They need truth, clarity, and someone to walk beside them. Now, here's where all this, everything connects. Prayer and gratitude won't eliminate doubt, but gives you clarity to move through it. The Bible doesn't just say never doubt. It invites us to bring our doubts into relationship with God. See, James 1 says, if anyone lacks wisdom, let him ask God. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. And prayer invites wisdom so you can move forward, not blindly, but boldly. Some teachings oversimplify. See, prayer and gratitude alone aren't magic. They're not a replacement for planning, strategy, or wise counsel. But when you combine them with solid preparation, clear math, and real support, they help you move forward. They don't paralyze you by doubt, but they strengthen you by vision. See, doubt isn't weakness. It's a signal, a prompt to seek truth, wisdom, and support. And that's why I'm here. If there's any doubt on your mind about money, time, or trust, DM me or book a call, and let's work through it together. Hey, no pressure, just clarity.